A lot of people are using tactics that really are not attraction marketing at all. So the definition of attraction marketing really is that you advertise unique or different solutions to your target market's specific problems and allow your best prospects to demonstrate interest in what you have to offer and give you the opportunity to earn their trust and dollars. So the idea is you're attracting people to you. You're not going out there and yelling at people and trying to get them to do things they don't want to do. So what you're doing is you're allowing your best prospects to demonstrate interest first. And I'll talk about how you do that in a moment. You're going to help influence those folks to give you the opportunity to earn their trust, and then they will enroll with you. And all enroll is dollars, meaning people are now deciding to buy from you, or they're deciding to buy from you and join your business without you having to feel like you're twisting their arm, right? And feeling really salesy in the process. There's no deception using attraction marketing. And a lot of the normal network marketing methods you're being taught, there's a lot of deception there. Attraction marketing is doing it in a way where you have authenticity and integrity, and you're building your business in an honorable way. You're not chasing friends and family. You're focusing on your prospects' needs, not yours, by really providing value to those folks. That is what true attraction marketing is.